Financial emergencies, health crises, relationship issues. Life is full of tough challenges, and we all have them. In this episode, we'll talk about how your misfortunes may actually be the key to your success. Hi, I'm Marcus Muhammad. I speak on overcoming adversity and achieving success. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, you'll get the information and the tools necessary to help you take complete control of your life. Each week, we'll release a new and exciting video, so be sure to hit the red subscribe button below. If you're an entrepreneur, you have the desire to be an entrepreneur, your level of success will ultimately boil down to your ability to solve problems. So watch this video to the end. Napoleon Hill said that every adversity contains in it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Now, we all have problems, but it's what we do about the problem that determines whether it's a blessing or a curse. Zach and Zoe's Sweet Bee Farm is a family-owned business that produces an array of flavor-infused raw wildflower honey. Located in the rolling hills of rural New Jersey, the business is run by Summer and Cam Johnson and their two children, Zach and Zoe. What started out as a simple search for natural solutions became a learning adventure that culminated into a thriving family business. Young Zach was plagued with asthma and allergies. His parents would have to rush him to the hospital where he'd receive steroid and pharmaceutical treatments. Concerned about the side effects of conventional medicine, his parents decided to search for a viable natural alternative. Their self-study led them to discover a concept called immunotherapy. Behind this philosophy is the idea of using raw honey to help their son's body become more tolerant of pollen and to reduce allergic reaction. The raw honey worked so well that they began to wonder, what would it take to produce our own honey? They studied the industry, they read up on bees, they learned so much about bees and bee farming that in 2015, they decided to try it out with 2 hives. Today, they operate a flourishing bee farm that produces raw wildflower honey infused with flavors like lavender, raspberry, blueberry, beetroot, ginger, and matcha. You can buy their honey online at zachandzoe.co, or you can visit their stand at Chelsea Market in New York. Charles Udall said that in life, you'll always be faced with a series of God-ordained opportunities, brilliantly disguised as problems and challenges. God-ordained opportunities. If you want to live a successful and prosperous life, turn your problems into profits. If the Johnson family can do it, so can you. And if you need help turning your problems into profits, click on the link below now and get your copy of my free guide, 3 Steps to Turning Your Problems into Profits right now. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. And remember, becoming yourself in this ever-changing world will be your greatest accomplishment. I'm Marcus Muhammad. I speak on overcoming adversity and achieving success.